If we want to add this line over here or this one over here, we can see that we are in the divider widget. So we have the content, the style, and the advanced tabs. For the content, we have style for the divider, solid, double, dotted, dashed, and so on. There are multiple styles over here. You can choose the width, how much of the element the divider is going to occupy, the alignment, and if you want to add an element to the divider, for example a text or an icon. If you are going to style, we have options for the divider and for the icon. If I have chosen text from over here from the element to the style, we are going to have style option for the text. So for the divider, we can change the color over here. We can always use global colors from over here, the size, and the gap. For the text, we can change the color from over here. Once again, we can use the global colors from over here, the typography, global typography from over here, or customize it from over here, with font family from over here, the sizing from over here, the weight from over here. If we want to transform it, the style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. The text stroke from over here, color from over here. We can always click on this icon to go back to default, position, and spacing. Let's go back to content and to the width 100% in order to see it better. If I'm choosing an icon and go to style, for the icon we have the view of the icon. Let's change the color so we can see it better. The size of the icon, color from over here, using the global colors from over here, the position of the icon, spacing, and rotate. And to the advanced tab, we have margins, padding, and so on. The same settings are valid for this divider as well. As we can see over here, it's still a divider widget.